took that off. Took it off like maybe a month ago. Maybe they're moving a Hello Dolly so they can get 2 other coaches. Good morning. You can hear me.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and
Good morning. We're here for the Hostling tour. We're just watching you guys right now. Nope, the coupler wasn't open.
18, drop 3 steps, shove ahead 2 feet to the top. That's it.
That is the fire that's left over from yesterday.
Keep that open for a few minutes. I'm going to
Yep,
record.
that was about 45 scoops of coal piled up in the rear of the firebox. The reason why it's piled up is it will choke itself out and burn slowly overnight. You can see everything else in there has gone out. All the rest of that is the dead fire from yesterday. We will shake that grates, dump the ash into the ash pan, and then spread this bank out over the firebox and then make the new fresh coal with it. Right here, the steam comes in and pushes on this piston first. It then exhausts, and the exhaust steam pushes on this piston. It's called a compound compressor. It's using the steam twice. You can see this piston rod moving a lot more than this one because the steam is so cold it's condensing. You're not getting a lot of exhaust into the low pressure steam cylinder yet. Listening to the steam exhausting, out the drain. Steam is going to condense in the condensation that's going to form.
Dollar General truck. It's casual. It's shaking.
So that's what the fire looks like now. And you
Wow.
can still see it's not that big. You see, take a look towards the front corners. It's still out over there. So it's coming along. It's not too bad. And then as we start getting the fire bigger and bigger, it'll start getting more and more heat. The pressure will start to come up. And what that is doing is, go back to look at our diagram here. The bottom valve is on the very front of the boiler at the lowest part. So any of the sediments and scale will settle down towards the bottom. Impurities, when the boiler is not really fired up, will settle down towards the bottom. So we're blowing it out and we're shocking it out. So we'll only do about a 10-second blowdown and let the what you saw him do when he came down is he climbed up the top, checked the sand level, make sure that the sand dome has enough sand in it. The front dome on 90 is the sand dome. That holds.
like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.